Tyler Orton, good point to speak to you, actually. Just good morning, first of all, and secondly, what's going on with the markets? This is incredible.
Yeah, you know, it all really stems from a decision by the government of China to fix the rate of the yuan at a lower rate than we've seen since August. That's signaling to a lot of investors right now that the economy there is much weaker than previously suspected, and that's causing a lot of these global sell-offs that we're seeing all there. Sonia, when you're reading off those numbers just now, I was shaking my head. I mean, they're very kind of concerning going forward. And it's going to have a big impact on Canada because, of course, we are a resource-driven economy, and if we're seeing that China doesn't need as many resources because its economy is slowing down, that's going to hit Canada hard going forward. All right.
Well, hit Canada in what way, Tyler? Just very briefly.
Well, you know what? We're going to be seeing there's going to be less demand for commodities such as ore, if we're talking about minerals, that sort of stuff. I should also mention energy. We've seen such difficulty with oil the past year. You were even pointing out how low oil's gone down to below $33 a barrel at this point. And we are very much a petrocurrency, and so that's going to impact the Canadian dollar. We also had new data released yesterday showing that even the decrease in the Canadian dollar really hasn't jump-started exports the way that we wanted. So that's why we're going to be having a tough time both last year and going into the new year as well. Not a great way to start off this new year.
No, not at all. A lot of eyes on that. We'll keep a close eye on it ourselves here as well. Got to talk to you about a new airline that we're hearing about, NewLeaf airline. Tell us about this.
Well, you know what? We're going to be getting some new flights leaving BC. NewLeaf, they're going to be a discount carrier. Their flight prices are going to start at about $90, and they're going to be flying out of Abbotsford as well as Kelowna. So they'll be going, if you want to catch a flight to Winnipeg or Saskatoon, just maybe drive a little bit further into the valley and you'll be able to hop on this discount carrier. But keep in mind, you're going to be paying for additional prices for baggage as well as for just other selecting your seats, drinks. So there's not going to be too many freebies, and so that's how they're going to make a little profit there. But just one more competitor into the market's going to be helpful for keeping everybody competitive in the airline industry in Canada.
All right. Well, you know what? Sadly, we're out of time. But as always, a pleasure to have you on the show. Thank you.
Thank you, Sonia.